Hey, welcome to this tutorial on self-profiles. Now this tutorial is for JV-LinkDirectory 5.0, and in this tutorial we are going to see what self-profiles are and how to create a text self-profile or a banner text profile. Now the first step, as always, is to log into your Joomla 3.1 or 3.0 backend and then go to Components, JV-LinkDirectory dashboard. Now, as you see, there are multiple menu options. So let's go ahead and choose the self profiles option and click on that. Okay, here we are. So this is the self profile screen where we can add any number of text self profiles or banner self profiles. Now, even before we create the first self profile, let's understand what self profiles are in the first place. So what are self profiles? Now, typically in a link exchange scenario, your partner takes a link that you have given him and adds your link onto his website in any of his pages, and you also repeat the same step by adding your partner's URL onto some of your web pages or one or more of your web pages. Now, in a sense, what you both gain is a link from your website pointing to your partner and vice versa. Now, in JV-LinkDirectory, we provide powerful features for reciprocal link exchanges, and one of them is by the name called profiles. Now, instead of just letting you provide just the home page URL of your website to your partner for link exchange purpose, JV-LinkDirectory uses profiles to actually let you provide multiple combinations of that particular link. Now let's go ahead and see what is a link. Now a link is not just the URL of the website, but also denotes the title of your website along with a textual description. Now it can also be alternatively the URL of your website and a banner image of your website. Now this is what we call as a profile. So profile can typically be a combination of any attribute of a particular link. Now we can create a profile with a title and a textual description, which we call as the text self profile, and we can create another self profile which has your title and a banner image of your website. Now both these profiles by default point to your website homepage. Now JV-LinkDirectory provides an option where you can actually define how your partner links or where your partner links specifically. Now unlike the conventional scenarios, JV-LinkDirectory enables your partners to actually link back to internal pages of your website, thus increasing the link juice and the search engine optimization. Now this is done by the concept called the extended URLs. Now let's go ahead and create a text self profile and demonstrate this particular aspect. Now when I click on the add text self profile, now I get to input the website title. So let me choose Google, the search engine, and I provide a website description. So Google is the search engine on the internet, blah blah blah. And then in the extended URL field, now I can provide any URL of an internal page of the website. I can leave it blank too, in which case your partner is going to, or rather when your partner is going to use this self profile, then he is going to point back to your home page of your website. Now instead, if I can give any specific internal web page, then any partner who uses this self profile to link back to you will eventually be linking back to this extended URL of your website. Now let's go and click on save and close. Yeah, so here it is. So we have defined two self profiles. One was already there before we started this demo. So We have two self profiles from which your partner can select from site front end when he is going to exchange links with you. Thank you for listening.